today we're gonna make heart-shaped cinnamon rolls. And these girls are so excited to make this treat. The things you're gonna need is these Grand's Pillsbury cinnamon rolls, ready to make, some parchment paper, a round cake pan, and then we're using the sprinkles off of this Funfetti vanilla frosting for our decorations, right? Yeah. And that's it. Super easy, and we're so excited to start. Ready?
Okay.
So the first thing we're gonna do is that I just cut out a piece of parchment paper and I laid it out so that it will be ready once I pop and peel this. So let's pop and peel, you guys. Okay, ready? Wonderful. Want to put it in the garbage bin? Ooh, we popped it. You see? Now that we popped everything, we're gonna put everything on our parchment paper.
Whoa.
And we're gonna save this icing for when everything is done. I know, it tastes so yummy. So now we're gonna make heart shapes out of these cinnamon rolls. What you wanna do is you wanna unroll your cinnamon roll and turn it as you're unrolling it. And then you're gonna make this into a little V shape, just like that. But you want it to be kind of even. And pull this part down. And make it look into a heart, just like that. And once you do that, you guys are gonna put this on your grease cake pan so that it will stay in place. And you're just gonna repeat these steps and put them all together. You guys wanna try? Okay, we'll have Bella try first.
I want to get this one because it's open.
And don't worry, you guys, they did wash their hands. Okay, ready? Now you're gonna twirl that in. Right, pull this down.
My turn.
Good job, Bella. I like it.
Other as your turn.
Oh, Molly, you want that one? Okay, hold on. Okay, right here, Molly. Turn this in. We're gonna twirl this in like that. You see? Twirl it in. Good job. Twirl it in. And then we're gonna do it like that. Because it's supposed to be right. So this is what it looks like once all the cinnamon rolls are in the cake pan and they all are lined up into little hearts. And now we're gonna go put it in the oven. So our cinnamon rolls just got out of the oven. I'm gonna let it cool for about 5 minutes. I already put the icing in this little Ziploc bag and I cut the tip so it can make it easy to decorate. And after that, we're gonna top it off with some sprinkles. Like it? Looks like a yes to me.
Thank you.
Aww, you guys made it.
Thank you. This is so good.
Yeah, all that.
And we put all the ingredients in. We have to put it next to the bowl. We have to put it to the oven. And we do our sprinkles, and we do this, and we do this.